Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving is the trusted paving contractor in the vibrant Tampa, Florida area. With our extensive experience and skilled professionals, we specialize in delivering top-quality paving solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Recognizing the distinctiveness of each project, we prioritize a personalized approach to cater to the specific needs of our clients. Whether it's driveway paving, parking lot installation, asphalt repairs, or seal coating, our mission is to provide exceptional craftsmanship and unparalleled customer service. At Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving, we take pride in exceeding expectations and ensuring complete satisfaction. Choose us for reliable results and a seamless experience that enhances the beauty and functionality of your property. Tampa, located on the west coast of Florida, is a vibrant city with a diverse population. As of 2021, the population of Tampa was approximately 387,000. The city encompasses multiple zip codes, including 33,592, 33,601, 33,602, and 33,603. Tampa is known for its diverse range of neighborhoods, each offering its own distinct character and amenities. Notable neighborhoods include Ybor City, Hyde Park, and Tampa Palms. With its diverse population, numerous zip codes, and a variety of neighborhoods, Tampa offers a dynamic and inclusive community for its residents to thrive in. Choose Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving for your asphalt paving needs. Visit our website at https://tampahomeimprovements.com/asphalt-driveway-paving-contractor/ or contact us today at 813-812-0562 for a free estimate and let us transform your property.